change is the only constant, and this July you will have key financial changes that you must watch out for. So be it PAN cards, be it credit cards, or be it even your train bookings. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has made Aadhaar verification mandatory for new account number or PAN card applications, while also extending the income tax return filing deadline from the 31st of July to September 15, 2025. As of now, there's also been a revision in bank charges on credit cards and saving accounts that you must know. So the revision in bank cards and credit cards is also happening, with SBI saying that they will discontinue its complimentary air accident insurance from July 15th on select premium cards such as Elite and Prime. They've also said they will look at revising how the minimum amount due is calculated on credit cards to include GST, EMIs, fee and so on. HDFC Bank has said they will impose new credit card transaction charges from the 1st of July 2025. HDFC Bank has also said they will levy a 1% fee capped at Rs 4,999 per transaction on rent payments via credit cards, online gaming spends above 10,000 rupees per month, utility bills above 50,000 rupees per month, excluding insurance that is, wallet reloads above Rs 10,000. Now, ICICI Bank has said that they will revise service charges and have updated that as part of their fee structure effective from July. They have said that the ATM transactions for the first 5 will remain free transactions per month. Following that will be a Rs 23 charge per transaction beyond the free limit. And along with ATM charges, ICICI Bank is also introducing changes in immediate payment service fee and cash transaction limits. Now, these changes reflect the growing push towards digital transactions, tax compliance as well as transparency. Remember, as far as your train bookings are concerned as well, until you have an Aadhaar-based OTP authentication now, the Tatkal train bookings will not take place from July 15th. So key changes, be it train bookings, PAN cards, Aadhaar, or of course credit cards.